In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an author bio on KDP, a KDP tutorial for beginners. With the increasing number of authors utilizing Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, having a well-crafted author bio can make a significant difference in connecting with your readers. So let's get started on how to add one. First things first, you will want to head over to Author Central. If this is your first time, don't worry. It's all part of the Amazon ecosystem designed to help you manage your publishing profile. Simply log in using your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is straightforward and free. Make sure you keep your login details secure, as this is where you'll manage all your authoring details. Once you're in, look for the Profile section. Imagine this as the online identity card for you as a writer, where you not only present yourself but also start building a rapport with your readers. Clicking Profile will open up all the options related to your author details. Now click on it to get into the nitty-gritty of your author page. Now that you're in the Profile section, it's time to add the biography text. This is your space to tell your story, what inspires your writing, your background, or any exciting achievements you'd like to share. Remember, this biography is not just about credentials. It's your chance to resonate with potential readers on a personal level. Write just enough to captivate without overwhelming them. Think of it as a conversation starter that invites readers to learn more about you and, in turn, your books. As you craft your biography, keep in mind clarity and authenticity. You want to let your personality shine through while maintaining professionalism. If you're stuck on what to write, think about how you want to be perceived by your audience. Is there an interesting anecdote you'd want to share? Or a snippet of your journey that led you to become an author? All these contribute to engaging and memorable bio content. Now that you feel satisfied with what you've written, it's time to save those changes. This step is crucial as it ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it once you've reviewed everything. Before you navigate away from the page, make sure you see a confirmation that your changes have been saved successfully. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to add an engaging author bio on KDP. This simple yet effective step can make a huge difference in attracting an audience and building a connection with your readers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy writing.